Yo, get off the wall. Go back, bud. Get off the wall. Go back. Go back. Ollie. Go on this side more. Hit it harder. Hit it. You got it, boo.
You did it like twice, so easily.
Yeah, it's like, you know, he doesn't know this. He's driving that go-kart, that's what. Hit it! Hit it! What's the matter with you, man?
I'm gonna buy your shit so easy. Hell no!
Fucking mirror, man. I'm not gonna sell you a whole fucking truck, though, man. You don't wanna fuck with that?
No.
It ain't gonna happen now.
No.
Hey, you just watching my truck right now. Oh! Don't get... Watch the mirror!
Put it in park. Leave it right there.
It's better, huh? You like that one, huh?